Hey, good morning. Nick Kaiser back out here in Gilbert, Arizona at our friends Lee and Tina's house. We are just doing a progress checkup on this project, and we just finished the painting and we are going to be continuing the tile today. So let's take a look. So here we are. You can see we had that patch to do before. We got all that patched up. All this is where our mirror's going back. The cabinet's going to come right over to this pony wall right here. So cabinets will go straight across, 2 sink cabinets, and you'll have drawers in the middle, just like the other bathroom. As we talked about, we had started the tile here. So I went over the clip system and I was talking about how they work. The one thing I didn't mention is when we see how these clips, they have the back on them right here, and they sit behind the tile, and we use this plier set to tighten it up, like I was going over like this, where this has the ridges on it, and then it goes in there and the back part's flat. So when you use that and it tightens it up, it makes it sit perfectly flat. But after the thin set dries, then you're wondering, well, how do you get those out of there? Well, at the end of the day, we usually take a rubber mallet, but the trick is you always want to knock it from the side, so like with the grout joint. So you follow the grout joint. So if it was this one, I would take a rubber mallet and I would tap it down and it breaks right off. So you can see, if I tap that, there it is. So then you have to come back and you have to clean this little bit of thin set off with a razor knife, clean it up, but then it leaves you with that perfectly flat section where there's no lippage, and you can't get any better than that. So painted in here, painted the whole bathroom. Oh yeah, looks nice. So stick around and keep you in the loop. Cabinets going tomorrow. We're measuring for countertops tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for those. And then before you know it, we will be finished with this project. So we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.